before you grab a fruit tree from Home Depot, let's talk. Because everything on the rack is not for everybody. They've got Espalier apples sitting there like we all have European courtyard walls. I also spotted a Reliance Peach and a Rainier Cherry. If you garden in Maryland Zone 7B, some of these are a solid yes. And some, we need to think long term. Welcome back, HELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm a Maryland urban small space gardener growing in Zone 7B. That Espalier apple was $110. Honestly, it's pretty beginner friendly if you have the space. Dwarf apple combo, sometimes called a cocktail apple tree. Instead of planting multiple trees, you get multiple apple types growing on the same tree. Combination pear can be tricky if you don't have proper pollination. Tart and sweet cherries. Cherries need extra care here. They're gorgeous, but slightly finicky. Ask me how I know. I have this contender peach at home. I love it. The Reliance Peach is one of the most recommended peach trees for backyard growers. Apricot Tilton. This is an old heirloom variety that gardeners love because it's productive, flavorful, and fairly adaptive. It's self-pollinating, so only one tree needed. The Rainier Cherry is one of the most prized cherries you'll ever see at markets and nurseries, known for its beautiful golden yellow fruit with red blush, very sweet in flavor. Red Delicious Apple, classic choice, grows well in Zone 7B. Probably one of the most recognizable apples in the United States. Stores well, looks beautiful, and produces heavy crops. This is a European plum variety, one of the best for home gardeners. It's known for being reliable and sweet. In my opinion, for Maryland Zone 7B, the ones I'd grab today: Reliance Peach, Espalier Apple if you have the space, and Santa Rosa Plum. Look at those beautiful buds popping. Such a beautiful sight. I'll take them all. So, Zone 7B gardeners, what are you planting this year? Reliance Peach, Rainier Cherry, or are you holding off? Drop your picks in the comments and let's compare notes before the good ones disappear. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.